Things men really notice in women. We all like to make a comment or two about how guys don't pay much attention to things that a lot of women deem important, whether it's a new outfit she's wearing or a completely different hair colour she's sporting straight out of the hairdressers. Some men just don't notice for a variety of reasons, and it's because of this that women grow increasingly frustrated. They feel like all the effort is one-sided. So, what do you do when you're trying to catch a guy's eye? How do you grab his attention before you've even spoken to him? Well, ladies, they do pay attention, especially in the beginning. We've spoken to a handful of men and they all agree that the initial meeting and getting to know each other phase of dating is crucial for them. Luckily for you, we've noted down all the things that guys notice about women so that you can add them to your things to do. Eyes. Although it sounds very cliche to say, a lot of men do notice a woman's eyes first. I mean, it makes sense. You make eye contact with people before you start talking to them, so they're going to notice your eye colour. Smile. Following on from eye contact, it's almost automatic that you will smile at the person you're looking at, especially if they've smiled at you first. It's like an automatic response. Men will notice your smile and make a judgment call if you have a cute smile or not. Teeth. When you smile at somebody, 9 times out of 10 you will show your teeth, which instantly opens you up for judgment. Do you have straight teeth? Are they pearly white? Do you have a little overbite? These are the things he will notice and look out for. Laugh. A guy will try to make you laugh when he first meets you because he knows having this ability is a sure win for a lot of women. So, that means he will notice your laugh. Don't be worried though, a woman's life is always attractive to a guy, especially if he's the one making you laugh. It's like an ego boost for him. Voice. Although you can't control what your voice sounds like, we all know a girl who drags out certain words because she thinks it can make her look cute and quirky. Just so you know, guys do pick up on this and they also find it annoying. It has been said that women with a lower tone sound more sexy and sultry to men, and they really like this. Hair. This one may sound surprising to you, but men are attracted to healthy looking hair. It's not all about the colour. You could be blonde or brunette, a redhead, or even purple hair. The colour preference will differ from guy to guy, but having healthy looking hair is a huge win for them. Smell. People will be able to smell you before they even see you, so technically it's the first thing they notice about you. A nice perfume or body spray could be the difference of catching his attention or blending into the everyday smells in his environment. If you have a signature perfume that you use, as soon as he smells it, he will think of you. Hygiene. Men really take notice of your hygiene when they're in close proximity to you. Oral hygiene, body hygiene, personal hygiene, it all matters. And it's all noticeable. It should be common knowledge to shower at least once a day and use deodorant or perfume. Makeup. I know there's a joke about men not understanding makeup, but you better believe that he will notice if your foundation is different shade to your neck, or if your mascara has smudged as you've blinked, or, the worst one, lipstick on your teeth. They actually notice it all, they just may not make a comment about it. Complexion. Now, it's been said that men do notice your complexion and can clearly see if you're having an acne flare-up, but they don't talk about it because frankly, they don't care. It may be a shock to you, but men understand that acne is uncontrollable. They also get acne too. They understand the frustrations that come with it, so they don't judge. Posture. Your posture says a lot about you and your level of confidence. Those who walk with slumped shoulders or looking at the floor tend to be more insecure and shy when meeting new people. This is something men will notice as you walk past them. When they see a confident woman, they will instantly want to introduce themselves to her and get to know her. Jewellery. Men do notice the type of jewellery you're wearing. Whether it's your earrings, necklace, bracelet or rings, they do notice it. Some men are like magpies. They will be drawn to the shiny objects you're wearing. Dress. Men will notice how you dress yourself. If you dress for your body type, if you buy clothes to fit your body or try to fit your body to clothes. if you look uncomfortable or cozy in your clothes. Some men do not take the type of clothes you're wearing into consideration. For instance, if you're wearing designer brands or not, if you're showing a lot of skin or no skin. But as a whole, men do notice what you're wearing. Shoes. It's no surprise that men do like women who wear heels because it makes their legs appear longer and also helps them to achieve that perky butt look as they walk. Heels are heavily associated with sexual appeal, so it's no surprise that men love them and spot them from miles away. Friends. A guy will make a mental note about the type of friends you hang out with. You may not see the toxic traits they have because you've been friends forever, but he will. You are who you surround yourself with. So, if your friend isn't a nice person, he will make that judgment call that you're not a nice person and will skip it before he speaks to you. Work ethic. Men will pick up on your work ethic before you even have a chance to explain your job description to them. They can weed out those girls who don't want to work for all the nice things they want. Nice things like a car, a phone, an expensive watch, or all expenses paid vacations. Lazy women stick out like a sore thumb, and men try to avoid them like the plague. Nobody wants to work hard to reward somebody else who probably isn't going to appreciate all the hard-working hours you put into earning the money you've made. Lips. It's almost impossible not to glance at somebody's mouth when you're talking to them. It's like your eyes just dart to that spot without your brain even thinking about it. And it's because of this that men do notice your lips. So, if you want him to notice your luscious lips, try to draw his attention to them by using a straw or biting your lip. You could play with the end of your pen between your teeth or even make eye contact while eating some fruit. Anything that surrounds the mouth will have his eyes darting straight to your lips. Nails. If you have the bad habit of biting or picking at your nails or the skin around your fingers, try to snap out of that as soon as possible. Men do notice your nails when they first meet you and shake your hand. From a hygiene point of view, if you have dirt under your nails or pulled skin, it makes you look less clean to them than if you were to have filed and shaped nails. Toes. Not all men will, but some will notice your toes when they first meet you, especially if you have sandals or open-toed heels on. So, let's make sure little piggies are painted, ladies. We want some nice pictures. Some men are really into toes, so they will actively seek out women who have maintained and prepped feet. Attitude. Your attitude speaks volumes on the type of person you are. If you have one of those attitudes that just screams entitlement and rudeness, men will pick up on this and put a huge red flag above your head, in the same way that women don't want to date a guy who acts like children. Men don't want to date women who act like teenagers who want men to tiptoe around them and bend over backwards for them. Guys do notice a lot of things when they first meet a woman, even those little things we don't think he's noticed. So why not add a few of these things to your personality when you next meet and see if you have any luck getting a first date? Maybe you already have some of these traits and you're wondering if you've already caught a guy's eye. Keep your eyes peeled for that double take he will do when he notices something that he likes, and then you know for sure you're in there.